Do 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 do. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. What I'm about to do is actually something that Mary did, going back to our outdoor week, and it's called geocaching, but I'm gonna go do one. And it's kind of mixing Liz's video about exploring your own city / Mary geocaching in my city. So I'm gonna go do that. It's gonna be fun, I'm hoping. Down here, I had to kind of climb from up there. But there is one down here. It's just, I can't find it. It'll be interesting if I do actually find something. I will be very proud of myself. But this is a real challenge, actually. I was expecting it to be a lot easier. Needless to say, I was just about to head up because I was giving up very quickly. And then I happened to look in there and oh, what's that? First cache completed, guys. Officially at Merritt Island. Right behind me is the official entrance, I guess you could say. This is considered Merritt Island, though. It was actually man-made, believe it or not. There's about 2 or 3 geocaches in actual Merritt Park. These are the 2 paths. There's Willow Walk, and there's just a non-existent path. I'm just gonna start looking in like these areas. There's a chipmunk running away from me. You go, dude. Okay. The poor chipmunk. No, come back. Oh, he just went in the hole. See those people? They were kind. They were nice. They were just asking how I'm doing. Beautiful day, though. I'm dying a little bit. I'm almost out of water, which is unfortunate. I am nearing my end, or nearing... There are ducks, I hear you. Yeah, I see. Holy crap, I left at 3. It is now 6:07. I've been walking for 3 hours. I'm done. It was kind of a fail. I was hoping to at least find one other one, and I couldn't find anything. I looked for 3 of them, and I couldn't find them anywhere. So either they've been moved, or you know, animals got into them or just something. I don't know. Geo should be considered a sport because this is crazy. At the same time, I got to see a few things that you don't really see every day, which was nice. Sorry if I disappointed you guys. It's just been intense. God, it's like plus 30 right now. It's insane. Anyways, back to walking back. And this is how you work out at the park.